You have studied English for many years. You know the rules, but sometimes something still feels off. Native speakers don't quite say it the way you do. Your sentences are correct, but they don't sound natural. Today I am going to show you 5 very common grammar mistakes that make English sound unnatural. Even when they are technically not wrong, if you fix this, your English will immediately sound more fluent and confident. Let's get into it. Okay. Mistake number 1. Using the present continuous for habits. Many learners say, I'm going to gym every day. But a native speaker would say, I go to the gym every day. The present continuous formula is you know and is are plus verb plus ing is for things happening. මේ දැන් සිද්ධ වෙන දේවල් වලදී අපි use කරන්නේ present continuous. Right now or temporary situations. For habits and routines, we use the simple present. අපි habits හරි අපේ routine එකක් හරි ගැන කියනවනම් simple present use කරනවා. I am eating rice for lunch every day. ඒක අපි daily කරන දෙයක්නේ. I eat rice for lunch every day. The correct one is I eat rice for lunch every day. She is working at a bank. If it's her permanent job, then we can say she works at a bank. This is a simple rule, habits and facts. Then we use simple present. Right now or temporary actions, then we can use present continuous. Okay. Mistake number 2, confusing make and do. This is one of the most common mistakes and even intermediate learners make it. Here's a simple way to remember. Do is for task, duties, and activities. Things you perform. Then make is for creating or producing something. A result. I need to make my homework. It's a wrong sentence. I need to do my homework. She did a cake for the party. It's wrong. She made a cake for the party. Can you do me a favor? Actually, this one is correct. Some common pairs to memorize. Do the dishes, do exercise, do business, do a course. Make a decision, make a mistake, make money, make a call. Quick tip. Ask yourself, am I performing a task, do, or creating something, make? Mistake number 3. This one is very common among Spanish and Portuguese speakers, but it shows up across many languages. In many languages, age is expressed with the verb have, but in English, we use the verb to be. I have 25 years. It's totally wrong. I am 20 years old. My brother has 18 years. My brother is 18 years old is the correct one. Also, you can drop old is casual speech. Then you can say I'm 25. It's totally natural. But never I am 25. That will immediately sound unnatural to a native speaker. Okay, mistake number 4. Using very for everything. Very is not wrong, but native speakers rarely say very as much as learners do. Instead, they use stronger, more expressive adjectives. Compare this. The food was very good. The food was very delicious. He is very smart. We can say he is brilliant. I am very tired. I am exhausted. It was very bad. It was terrible. She is very happy. She is thrilled or overjoyed. Using stronger adjectives makes your English sound richer, more natural, and more interesting. So, next time you want to say very, stop and think of the stronger word. Quick tip: before saying very, pause and think, is there a stronger single word I can use? Okay, this is our mistake number 5. Confusing since and for. Both are used with time, but they work differently. For is used with a duration, a length of time. Since is used with a point in time, when something started. I live here since 5 years. It's wrong. I have lived here for 5 years. She is working here since 2019. It's wrong. She has worked here since 2019. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇය මෙතන වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවා 2019 සිට. Also notice we use the present perfect tense have or has plus past participle with both since and for when talking about something that started in the past and continues now. For plus duration, it is used for 3 days, for 2 weeks, for a long time. Since plus point, we use it for since Monday, since 2026, since I was a child. Okay. So, let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes we covered today. Using present continuous for habits. Use simple present instead. Confusing make and do. Saying I have, it's years for age, it means it is an example. Say I am 16 years old. Overusing very, upgrade to stronger adjectives. Mixing up since and for. Okay. Fix these 5 and your English will immediately sound more natural and fluent. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And let me know in the comments which of these mistakes have you been making. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.